Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get back the old photo gallery on iPhone. So first up, what you need to do is to open your Photos app. And then from here, we're just going to scroll all the way down until we see this section that allows us to customize and reorder. Now in here, you can actually freely choose which to only show on your Photos app. But if you'd like to follow the old interface, then we're going to uncheck all of these. And then we're only gonna select albums, utilities, and should be pinned collections or memories. So either of which, or you can also add in media types. So once you've done that, just don't tap on reset because it'll automatically check all the options again. So just show what you want to show, and then close it. Then reopen your Photos app, and it should show you the same or similar interface. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.